Assalamualaikum everyone, we are from Group C. We would like to present our topic classification of timber. My name is Muhammad Akif Nabil Afi and together with my group member, we will explain the definition, type, processing, characteristic, product, use, advantage and disadvantage of timber. So let's begin our presentation. Firstly, let me introduce what timber is. Timber is one of the most important materials used in the construction industry. It is commonly used for building, furniture, flooring, door, and roof structure. Timber is popular because it is strong, durable, and easy to shape. There are different types of timber such as hardwood and softwood, and each type has its own characteristic and function. Using the right type of timber can improve the quality, strength, and durability of construction work. Next is the definition of timber. Timber is wood that has been processed for construction and manufacturing purpose. The process starts when trees are cut down. Then, the logs are sawn into smaller pieces and dried before being used. Because timber is strong and has a natural appearance, it is widely used for both structure and decorative purpose. In fact, timber is one of the oldest building materials used by humans.
Good morning everyone. In today's video, I will tell you about type of timber. There are two main types of timber, hardwood and softwood. Hardwood comes from slow-growing trees. It is stronger, harder, and more durable. Because of its strength, hardwood is commonly used in furniture and flooring. Softwood comes from fast-growing trees. It is lighter, easier to cut, and more affordable. Softwood is commonly used for roof, structure, wall frame, and temporary construction work. The choice between hardwood and softwood depends on the strength, durability, and the cost required for the project. For the next, I will talk about process of timber. The timber production process has 5 main steps. First is tree cutting, where trees cut down from the forest. Second is sieving, where the logs become into a smaller timber size. Third is seasoning, which is mean drying the timber into reduced moisturizer content. This helps prevent shrinking and cracking. Fourth is the treatment, where the chemicals are applied to protect the timber from the termite, insect, and decay. Finally, finishing is carried out by polishing and shaping the timber before it is ready to be used. And finally, I will talk about characteristics of timber. Timber has many useful characteristics. It is strong, durable, making it suitable for construction. It is also easy to cut and shape, so it widely used in building and furniture making. Properly treated timber is resistant to termites and insects, which is increased its lifespan. In addition, timber has many attractive natural appearance, making it popular for the best choice for interior and exterior design. Lastly, timber is long-lasting and can support many heavy loads when it used correctly. Thank you. That's all from me.
Now, let's move on to the uses of timber in construction. Timber is one of the most versatile building materials because it can be used in many different parts of the building. For example, it is commonly used to build roof trusses, doors, window floorings, furniture, wall panels, and even structural components in residential houses. Besides that, timber is also popular in interior decoration because of its natural texture and attractive appearance. Since the timber is lightweight, strong, and easy to shape, it can be installed more easily and is suitable for both structural and decorative purposes. This makes timber one of the most widely used materials in the construction industry. Next, my name is Azrael Daniel. Firstly, I would like to introduce what timber is. Timber is one of the most important materials used in the construction industry because it is strong, durable, and easy to work with. It is commonly used for buildings, furniture, flooring, doors, windows, and roof truss structure. Timber is also a natural material that gives a beautiful appearance and can last for many years if it is properly maintained. There are two main types of timber, which are hardwood and softwood. Each type has different characteristics and is used for different purposes. Therefore, choosing the right type of timber is very important because it can improve the quality, safety, and strength of construction work.
Next, my name is Farish Ifan. Now, let's look at the advantages of timber. Firstly, timber is a natural and attractive material that gives buildings and furniture a warm and beautiful appearance. Secondly, timber is lightweight and easy to cut, shape, and install, so it can reduce construction time and labor costs. Besides that, timber provide good heat and sound insulation, which help make a building more comfortable. Another advantage is that timber is a renewable resource. When forests are managed properly, new trees can be planted to replace those that are cut down, making timber an environmentally friendly building material. Because of these advantages, timber is widely used in the construction industry. Now, let's look at the disadvantages of timber. Although timber has many advantages, it also has some limitations. One of the main disadvantages is that timber can be attacked by termites and other insects if it is not treated properly. It is also affected by moisture, which may cause the timber to swell, shrink, crack, or rot over time. In addition, timber catches fire more easily than materials such as concrete and steel, making fire protection very important. Lastly, timber requires regular maintenance, such as painting or chemical treatment, to ensure it remains strong, durable, and safe for long-term use in construction. In conclusion, timber is one of the most important materials used in the construction industry because it is strong, durable, and versatile. Throughout this presentation, we have learned about the definition of timber, its type, processing methods, characteristics, products, uses, as well as its advantages and disadvantages. We also learned that different types of timber are suitable for different purposes depending on their properties. Although timber has some disadvantages, proper treatment and regular maintenance can improve its durability and safety. Therefore, timber remains one of the best and most widely used construction materials today. Thank you for your attention. And that is the end of our group presentation. We hope this presentation has helped everyone understand the clarification of timber, including its type, characteristic, processing, products, uses, advantages, and disadvantages. Thank you very much for your attention and for listening to our presentation.